Hey there, friends. Today, I'll show you how to make reusable cleaning wipes at home. Easy, eco-friendly, and cost-saving. Stay with me for all the steps. One roll of kitchen paper, cut in half. "200 milliliters of water. One drop of dish soap. 2 splashes of hydrogen peroxide. 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. Mix the ingredients well and let the paper soak for a few minutes. Remove the cardboard core. And your disposable wipes are ready. Cut kitchen cloths in half for easy use. Mix the following: 300 milliliters of water, 1 drop of dish soap, 2 to 3 splashes of hydrogen peroxide, 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. Soak the cloths and let them absorb for a few minutes. Non-toxic formula, safe for all surfaces. Perfect for daily cleaning, bathrooms, kitchens, and more. Eco-friendly. Never store used wipes. Toss them directly into the washing machine to keep everything fresh and hygienic. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and rate this DIY from 0 to 10. Like, share, and subscribe for more home hacks. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. See you next time, friends. Stay clean, stay blessed.